My turn! That looks so good!
Here you go. Enjoy.
This is delicious!
I agree.
Place the 6 Oreo cookies in a microwave-safe mug. Add the half-cup milk and a half teaspoon baking powder. Mix well until you have a smooth batter with no lumps. Microwave on high for 60 to 90 seconds. Start checking it at 60 seconds. Let the cake cool for 1 to 2 minutes. Optional toppings: crushed Oreo cookies, chocolate syrup, whipped cream, vanilla ice cream. Enjoy your cake!